Have you ever wondered why a simple text message left unread can ruin your entire day? Or why being excluded, ignored, or rejected can hurt in a way that feels almost physical? Because deep inside your skull sits a brain that wasn't built for modern life. It was built for survival. And for most of human history, rejection wasn't embarrassing. It was deadly. For hundreds of thousands of years, humans lived in small tribes. There were no cities, no supermarkets, no hospitals, no police, and certainly no social media. Survival depended on one thing, above all else: other people. If your tribe accepted you, you had food, protection, and a chance to pass on your genes. But if your tribe rejected you, you were alone. And alone meant vulnerability. No one to watch for predators. No one to help when you were injured. No one to share food during hard times. In many cases, isolation was a death sentence. So evolution came up with a solution. It made social rejection painful. Not emotionally painful, literally painful. Scientists have found that the same regions of the brain activated by physical pain are also activated when we experience social rejection. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between a broken bone and a broken connection because both threaten survival, and that ancient wiring still exists inside you. The problem is, the world changed, but your brain didn't. Today, being unfollowed on Instagram isn't life-threatening. Getting ghosted after a date won't leave you starving in the wilderness. Being criticized by strangers online won't attract predators. But your brain doesn't know that. It responds with the same alarm system that protected your ancestors. That's why rejection can trigger anxiety, why embarrassment can keep you awake at night, why criticism from someone you barely know can replay in your mind for weeks, and why loneliness can feel unbearable. Because your brain interprets social disconnection as danger. But here's the strange part. This pain wasn't a mistake. It was one of humanity's greatest advantages. The fear of rejection encouraged cooperation. It pushed people to maintain friendships, to repair relationships, to contribute to the group, and those groups became stronger. Entire civilizations were built on our need to belong. The same instinct that makes rejection painful also makes love meaningful. It makes friendship valuable. It makes loyalty possible. Without it, humans might never have become the dominant species on Earth. But understanding where these feelings come from changes everything. Because the next time rejection hurts, you don't have to see yourself as weak, or broken, or overly sensitive. You're experiencing something millions of years old. You're feeling the echoes of a world your ancestors survived. A world where belonging meant life itself. And maybe that's the most fascinating part. Your brain still carries memories of dangers that no longer exist. Modern problems, ancient minds, and understanding that might be the first step toward understanding yourself. If you enjoyed this journey into the ancient origins of human behavior, subscribe to Seneca's Ledger. Because the answers to who you are often older than you think. Your brain carries millions of years of history, and the more you understand that history, the more you understand yourself. So if you're curious about evolution, psychology, anthropology, and the ancient origins of modern life, subscribe to Seneca's Ledger and join us on this journey. Because who you are today was shaped long before you were born. Your fears, your desires, your relationships, even the thoughts inside your head. They're all echoes from a much older world. And the answers are older than you think. I'll see you in the next video.